price reduction. This 6.5-acre site consists of 2 adjoining parcels, Tract 1, North Parcel, and Tract 2, South Parcel. Tract 1, 3.085 acres, is approved for the development of 21 condominium units and 2 buildings, a 9-unit tower and a 12-unit tower. Building permits are in good standing. Tract 2, 3.491 acres, has a maximum density of 12 residential units. Intracoastal waterfront development property for sale. 6.5 acres in a 29 deepwater slip marina. Extraordinary opportunity for investors or developers to obtain an outstanding intracoastal property, with a marina within walking distance to Flagler Avenue on New Smyrna Beach beachside. The intracoastal location of the marina provides easy access to the Atlantic Ocean through nearby Ponce Inlet. Current zoning is R4 multifamily. Future land use is high-density residential, site good for single-family dwelling as well.